Hi, I'm Courtney McQuade with Markets Group here at our Alts New York event. With me is Deborah Querub, Global Head of Digital Assets at Citi Wealth. Deborah, great to see you.
Thank you for having me here.
Absolutely. Now you just came off a big panel today. It was very intriguing about digital assets. Can you share with us a little bit about the inside scoop? What were the hot takes?
Yeah, absolutely. So our panel was very excited about the potential for digital assets. Overall, we were very encouraged about the fact that there's starting to be a bit more clarity around regulation, both in the US and abroad. We think that's really fundamental for the establishment of innovation and also to actually safeguard our clients, but more importantly, to start to integrate digital assets into the financial ecosystem.
Fantastic. And when it comes to digital assets, what do you consider to be maybe one of the most misunderstood things about them?
Yeah, so, the difficulty here is to think about digital assets as either an asset class or as a technology. We think about it as really underpinning a lot of like what the modern economy and the digital economy is really going to look like. And as we start to see assets start to be tokenized, or assets are starting to get issued on a on-chain natively form, then you're going to start to see a lot more emerging use cases that are going to operate on a shared common infrastructure, which could potentially be blockchain. And so we really think that this is going to augment as we move forward. And in a world where it's powered by AI, on the one hand you have what we call abundance, right? Like absolute abundance. That's what AI is creating. Digital assets is actually, in blockchain technology, is bringing scarcity. And so the idea around value is really going to start to evolve, and you're going to have a lot of conversations around this.
Interesting. And tell me a little bit about your thoughts around stablecoins and the future there.
Yeah, so stablecoins, very hot topic, especially on the back of the Circle IPO last week. We actually wrote an article about it, of these emerging trends on our Outlook last year, and we really view this as a huge potential, and we've seen the growth, right? Like they've been around for about 10 years. Over the last 5 years, they've accumulated about 250 billion. We just launched our Citi Institute report, just launched a report. It estimates that it could get to about 1.6 trillion by 2030. If that is to happen, we see two things. One is they will become a very important participant in the US Treasury market as buyers, but secondly, it's going to really distribute and give access to dollars across the globe. And we think that potentially the dollar could continue to be the global dominant currency in the world. So definitely something that we're watching very closely.
Wow, I look forward to seeing what happens next with stablecoins. So Deborah, I can't leave without asking you, how have you enjoyed Alts New York today?
Oh, it's been fantastic. The curiosity and the energy is unprecedented. Absolutely loved it. I've met incredible people, and I take away, potential for partnerships that we'll be exploring farther. So congratulations to all of you for making this happen. It's been great.
Oh, thank you. We're happy to hear it. Thanks so much, Deborah. And we are live at Alts New York.